Today we are going to be trying out the Pressed Glitter Booty Glazed palette. This is a palette I've been seeing all over Instagram, everywhere else. I did not order this off Instagram. I ordered this off Amazon because I don't trust nothing off Instagram, Facebook, etc. So let's get it open. And it is the glittery eyeshadow. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh. So we're reviewing this today, and I really hope this works out, like, seriously. But this is one of the ones, it's just the glitter eyeshadows. Like, it's not like you need like a base to put it on. Like, you just can't put it on your face and expect that to stay. So let's just get right back into the tutorial. Portion of the video, I wanted to show you guys how long it actually took me to put this on my eye, even though it's sped up. But it took a pretty long time to do it, but I also just stuck it to my eye with setting spray and an e.l.f. Smudge pot, so it did pretty good for that. It just took a minute to get it on there, but I'm still impressed. also a review. It's the Milani Loose Setting Powder, and I kind of actually really like it. I mean, not to say like that, like I kind of like it, but I've been using it in my makeup routine ever since I've got it. I really do like it, and I do recommend it. I highly recommend it. Okay, hi guys. This is the finished look and I love it. Can you guys tell? I love it. I mean, it took a little bit to get here. Like, I was struggling. Y'all will see in the clips I was struggling. And I got the glitter to stay without any glitter glue because I'm taking this right off when I'm done. So yeah, this is the finished look and I really love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So this palette is a go for me. So if you ain't got one, go get one because you ain't slaying because you ain't got it. So, and I think it was around maybe like, I wouldn't have paid nothing crazy for it. So I'm sure it wasn't over 15 bucks because I'm cheap and I'm not doing all that. Okay, y'all got me up. So if you ain't got one, go get one. It's popping. My camera battery's dying, so I gotta go. RIP to my nigga Wally. Like and subscribe. And all the other good stuff. I don't know. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Peace.